when we started Renovo, we did have the mindset that we were going to, over time, work on building a big business. And we weren't in a hurry because in 2010, 11, and 12, nothing moved fast. We basically used TMO since day one. The good thing is you guys have figured out the nuts and bolts of what it takes to service these loans. And I would argue that people should not spend their time trying to create a lot of customization. I would actually say for the first 8 or 9 years, it was better that we didn't try to customize anything. Basically used the software as it came out of the box and spent our time building the other parts of the business: origination, underwriting, processing, construction draws, all that kind of stuff. And don't mess with the service. You guys have built it. You know what you're doing. So the lift was to not have to think about it. And, uniquely at Renovo, we've never outsourced servicing ever. Meaning we are the servicer of all of our loans, and including 30-year DSCR loans, like all loans. For many years early on, we would go and meet with third-party servicers with the idea that, hey, maybe we're supposed to be outsourcing our servicing. But because we had a good software program that worked, and we had one person that knew what she was doing, we kept meeting with servicers and saying, I don't know why we would do this. We're just going to keep it. We'll just keep doing it. And we just procrastinated that decision for a very long time. And now 15 years later, we still service all of our own loans today. If and when, companies start adding longer duration loans, especially if there's tax escrows, that takes a lot of expertise. You can't mess that up. The reason to have a good software program that you aren't trying to customize too much is because you can't afford to make mistakes. Our number one core value is start with the customer. And, I talk to our team all the time, like, we don't matter. The borrower matters. What they're trying to achieve matters. These borrowers wake up in the morning, go out in the world, borrow high rate debt, and take a risk. As a servicer and or as the lender, our job should kind of be to be in the background and keep them moving.